Okay, so Mr. Delosier here, and I think is a needful skill right now, it's how to cut your own hair. So this is how I've done it. I've been doing this for a couple of years now. We're in quarantine, so you know, if you have a bad haircut, it might help you to stay home, so which is good. So stay home, stay safe, cut your own hair. This is what you need. I got a mirror kind of right here in front of me that I can look into, and I've got a mirror that I can see behind. And then you need just some sort of like kit. I have a little shaver kit right here that I bought, and here's how I do this. Gotta plug her in first, and I'll take the clippers here. So I'll start with the 8 and just buzz away. And as you can see, I mean, that's not really, it's not that thick, but and this takes a while, so I imagine I'm probably going to just end up fast forwarding it here. Alright, so you just trim it up there and you take all that off. Now the part that bothers me is around the ears right here. I just don't like when the hair starts to grow over the ears. So that's the part I'm gonna trim. So the next thing, this is a left taper. I'm gonna go to my left side and trim around the ear. At the left side and kind of go, you know, left side, but then I also went all the way around my head from that side right there. Carry it. Trim up a few other things, but that's how you give yourself a quarantine haircut. There's a few final little polishes here or there to work on, but otherwise, hey, if you're gonna be staying home for a while, you might as well give yourself a haircut. I can look and see, you know, if there's any spots, I can see that. And then I go over here, I look there, I look away, and I can go back and touch up any spots that I might have missed. So there you go. That's how you do yourself your own little haircut.